Well, South Dakota had 2 deadly crashes in construction work zones in 2022. Those were 2 of 891 total work zone fatal crashes in the U.S. that year. While more passengers and drivers died in work zone crashes, workers and pedestrians also lose their lives. South Dakota had 1 non-work pedestrian die in 2020. Nationwide last year, 145 workers, pedestrians, and bicyclists died in work zone crashes. Digital reporter Ray Yost digs into road construction work crashes in a KELOLAND.com original story on our website.